India's military aviation capabilities have evolved significantly over the decades, with the nation's fighter jet fleet playing a pivotal role in its defense posture. This video delves into the fighter jets in India's fleet. Number 1. The Hindustan Aeronautics Limited Tejas. At the heart of India's self-reliance in military aviation stands the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited Tejas, the country's first indigenous fighter jet. This lightweight, nimble aircraft is a testament to India's technological prowess and its drive towards reduced dependence on foreign imports. Boasting a 4.5 generation fighter capability, the Tejas packs a formidable punch with an array of armaments and the ability to operate in a wide range of combat scenarios. The Indian Air Force has placed orders for a total of 123 Tejas fighters with 51 aircraft already built as of the latest count. In a significant development, India's Defence Acquisition Council recently cleared the procurement of an additional 97 Tejas Mark 1A aircraft, further bolstering the Tejas' presence in the IAF's inventory. Number 2. The MiG-21 Fishbat. The MiG-21, or the Bison as it is affectionately known in Indian parlance, has been a stalwart of the Indian Air Force for decades. This Soviet-designed fighter, with its maiden fight in 1955 and operational service with the IAF starting in 1963, has earned a reputation as one of the most combat-proven aircraft in history. During the 1971 Indo-Pakistan War, the MiG-21 Bison demonstrated its mettle with Indian Air Force pilots, achieving a remarkable 13:1 kill ratio against their Pakistani adversaries. Despite its combat successes, the MiG-21 has been plagued by safety issues, earning it the infamous nicknames of the Flying Coffin and Widowmaker. Over the course of its 60-year service with the Indian Air Force, the Bison has been involved in over 400 crashes, resulting in the loss of 200 pilots and at least 60 civilians. Recognizing the need to address these concerns, the Indian Air Force officially retired the MiG-21 on October 31, 2023. Through a few squadrons will continue operating the aircraft until 2025, marking the platform's 70th birthday. Number 3. The Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. While the Tejas and the MiG-21 have their respective roles to play, the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI remains the Indian Air Force premier air defense platform. This Soviet-designed two-seat twin-engine multi-role fighter jet is a formidable aerial asset, boasting a maximum speed of 1.9 Mach in level flight and the ability to wield the potent BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. The Su-30 MKI, which entered Indian Air Force service in 2002, is a license-built variant with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) responsible for its production in India. Number 4. The MiG-29 Fulcrum. Alongside the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, the MiG-29 Fulcrum is another key fighter jet in India's aerial arsenal. While the Indian Air Force operate approximately 75 of the MiG-29 upgrade variant, the Indian Naval Air Arm field 42 of the MiG-29K variant flown by the Indian Naval Air Squadron 303, also known as the Black Panthers. Number 5. The Dassault Rafale. In a significant boost to India's fighter jet capabilities, the Dassault Rafale has joined the Indian Air Force inventory in recent years. The IAF currently operates 28 single-seat Rafale EH variants and 8 twin-seat Rafale DH variants, which were delivered between July 2020 and April 2022. The Rafale, a French-built twin-engine fighter jet, is a robust and versatile platform capable of fulfilling a wide range of combat roles. Number 6. The Dassault Mirage 2000. Another French-built fighter jet in India's arsenal is the Dassault Mirage 2000. This single-engine 4th-generation multi-role fighter aircraft has a storied history, having been deployed by the Indian Air Force during the Kargil War in 1999 and the retaliatory Operation Bandar in 2019. The Mirage 2000's performance in these conflicts has been lauded, with the aircraft effectively carrying out precision ground attacks. However, the Indian Air Force now faces challenges in maintaining the technological relevance of its Mirage 2000 fleet, as the airframe has a limited certified life and the production of the aircraft was discontinued a decade ago by Dassault Aviation, making the procurement of critical spares a painstaking task. Number 7. The Sepikit Jaguar. While the focus has primarily been on India's fighter jet fleet, it's worth noting the presence of the Sepikit Jaguar in the Indian Air Force inventory. Though not a dedicated air superiority fighter, the Jaguar is a highly capable ground attack aircraft that has played a crucial role in India's nuclear triad alongside the Mirage 2000. Designed as a joint venture between the British Aircraft Corporation and Dassault Aviation, the Jaguar has evolved from its initial light attack role to a multi-role platform capable of carrying out a wide range of missions, including precision strikes and air-to-ground operations. Similar to the Mirage 2000, the Indian Air Force faces the challenge of ensuring the Jaguar's continued operational relevance in the face of aging airframes and the need of upgrades. Balancing the maintenance and modernization of this ground attack platform will be crucial in preserving its capabilities as a key component of India's aerial arsenal.